If you translate this sentence into Spanish, you get paid $23. Translate this sentence again, you get paid another $23. And if you can sit at your computer every single day and do this, you will be earning at least $120 per hour with this easy and free method using the Google Translate tool. And in this video, I am going to show you how you can do this from anywhere in the world, using your computer or any smartphone. The first thing we are going to do is to go to Google and search for Google Translate. Google Translate is simply a free service that is offered by Google, and we are going to be using this service in order to make money with translated words or sentences. You can use this service to translate websites and even entire web pages online, between English and over 100 other languages. It is actually very simple to use this free tool. First, you choose the language that you want to translate, and then choose the language that you want to translate the word into. So, let us say you want to translate this word here, from English into Portuguese. As soon as you finish typing, immediately the word will be translated into Portuguese. It is pretty easy to use. So I am now going to show you how you can start using this free tool and get paid at least $23 every 10 minutes. But before we go further into the video, welcome to Everyday Income. On this channel, I share with you the latest making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. So, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. The next website we are going to be combining with Google Translate is called CPA Grip. CPA Grip is a website that I really like a lot, because a lot of people are using it to make money online. It is really easy to use it, and you do not have to have prior experience in order to use it. The way that this website works is that it is a tool that simplifies the process of social media automation for businesses. CPA offers are simple offers that will pay you per every action that you can get someone to take. For example, you can find an offer that will pay you to post a link onto your Facebook wall, and to get people to register on a website. You can also see here, CPA Grip has over 2,000 offers that are available, so you will never run out of offers to choose from. Whenever someone does something, for example, typing their email into this box here, this website is going to pay you. Now, all you have to do is register for a free CPA Grip account. Just click on this button here, fill in your details here, and when you are done, simply go over their terms and conditions. You are not allowed to complete these offers yourself, and you should not use VPN software to complete these leads. After you are done, all you have to do is click on this button, and you now have a brand new account. Immediately, you will be taken to your dashboard. One of the things that you are going to see as soon as you log into this website is all these people that are making money using it. As you can see here, this guy made $101,842.58 from a total of 56,934 leads. This one here has earned $49,000 with 19,000 leads. This one has made $55,000. This one made $173,000, and so on, and so on. There are a lot of people using this website to make money every day. And after watching this video until the end, you are going to learn the best way to combine these two websites to set up your passive income generating system even in your sleep. Inside the dashboard, you will see some of the top performing offers, even though right now, we will not be using them. What I am going to show you in this video is how you can use this website to make you a lot more money than this. Let us click on Offer Tools, then click on My Offers. As you can see, by default, the website will detect your present location, and it will show the offers that are available for your country. Right now, most of the offers here are generally okay. As you can see here, the highest offer this website is paying for the United States for now is $2.44. If you have a high volume of traffic, you can make a lot of money doing this. Let me show you some really high-paying offers that no one is talking about, where you can make 10 times more money from the offers. First, we need to use top-paying countries that have high-value offers. For example, let us click and select a different country, like France. As you can see, in France, they have a $23 payout right here, which is a lot higher than the $2 that we just saw from the United States. The reason is that not many people are using these countries to make money, so they want to pay more money to incentivize people to start using their website in these countries. Let us try a different country, for example, Spain. In Spain, the highest paid offer is $12.31, And again, if we check the offers available in Italy, we can see that the highest offer is $17. So all you have to do is go over the offers in all these countries, for example Australia, Switzerland, Brazil, Egypt, Mexico, and so on, and look for the best paying offers. But for this example, we are going to be using France, since it has the highest offer currently. Most users on this website are not French speakers, so that is the reason why they are not taking any of these offers that are in French. But for us, this actually will be a very good thing, because we will be using our free Google tool in order to promote any French offers on this website. Next, we need an affiliate link. So, in order to get our link to promote, let us click on the offer right here, and it will pop up. In this case, they are asking people to enter their details, such as their full name and their email address, for a chance to win a brand new iPhone 13. For every person that completes these tasks, you are going to be paid about $23.10. So to get your affiliate link, first you have to choose a domain from this list of tracking domains. This link you see right here will be your affiliate link. In this case, whenever someone clicks on this link and submits their details for a chance to win this offer here, you earn $23. But, as you can see here, this affiliate link is a bit too long. So, what we need to do is to shorten it, in order to make it a bit more appealing to anyone. So we just need to copy it. And next we go to this website called bitly.com. On this website, if we scroll down a bit, all you need to do is to paste your link into this box here. And in order to customize it, we simply type in the name of the offer here. By the way, in order to make it clickbaity, we are going to translate it into French. The offer is about winning an iPhone 13. So, all we have to do is go back to Google Translate. And then you translate the phrase "get the new iPhone 13 Pro" into French. But since I want to use English, I just copy the text here and go back to Bitly, and paste it right here, and then remove the spaces. Okay, now that you have shortened your link, I am now going to show you how to make money from using this shortened link. But before we do that, remember to smash the like button, and to subscribe to our channel. And in the comments section below, I need you to type yes or no, if you agree to the following positive statement. Also remember to comment your country name below, so that I can keep making more videos that work in your area. Now, let us get back to making money. This website is going to be paying at least $23.10 for each person that will type in their details into this form here. So, let me show you the secret tip that you can use in order to drive visitors to this link, and therefore get people to submit their names and email addresses. Let us say that at least 10% of these people fill in their details, which is at least 100 people. And if we multiply 100 by 23, this means you are going to make $2,300. The website you will use is called trafficadbar.com. On this website, you can get free website traffic, and automatic search engine submission to help you rank your websites, plus free advertising. This website is very easy to use. First, you need to create a free account. So click on this button right here. Once you have created your free account, you will be taken to this page, where you need to add a website URL right here. This is where you will need to paste the shortened link that we created earlier on, using bitly.com. Now, if your offer is written in English, remember, all you have to do is to copy the English text on the offer, and then paste it into Google Translate, and it will translate into French. In this case, this offer is already written in French, so paste it here, simply making sure you use the add line 1, and add line 2, if your words are not able to fit in the title bar. This is how the ad will look like. Next, we select the language, which is French. Now select the target country, which is France. You can select the times you want your ad to be seen right here, and when you are done you click on save. And just like that, our ad has been posted. Every time someone inputs their details in your ad, you will get paid just like that. And that is all you have to do. Now, if you want to learn even more ways to make money online, then subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Then click here to watch this next video to discover even more ways for you to make money online. See you in the next video.